Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide will help you to get rid of the new ransomware that is called A1ndh. A1ndh. It's a random set of symbols, but this is a ransomware that actually damages the files after it targets the vulnerable computer. The ransomware, after encrypting the data, adds a special extension which is called exactly like that, A1ndh. Definitely, before the ransomware attack, people are able to open their files without problems. They can open pictures, music, text documents, and other documentation. But this is what happens after the ransomware attack. Sooner or later, the ransomware starts encrypting the information that you store on your computer. And then, especially after you restart your computer, you may realize that some of the files are already encrypted, and this special A1ndh extension has been added to the files. Then, of course, the ransomware tells that you need to pay the special ransom to get your files restored, and you cannot open these files anymore. In the same manner, removing this A1ndh extension does not decrypt the file. You still cannot access it. So what I suggest you to do immediately is to access the task manager of your computer, look for suspicious processes with long random names, right-click on them and end the task to stop the further file encryption. Then, I recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately, and I suggest that you do that with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get its latest version on the website combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the program, and start investigating your system with the help of this tool to detect this ransomware and remove it effectively. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. However, the trial version only gives you the quick scan option, even though the premium one has got full scan and custom scan too. Click on the Start Scan button to begin the detailed investigation of your computer. The quick scan will be in progress, and it may take a while until the quick scan is completed. While the quick scan is taking place, you may experiment with certain settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. It has got the powerful anti-ransomware feature. You may select a special folder where you may have all your files stored in a safe place and protected against all possible ransomware attacks. So you may add this folder and keep your files protected in it. However, this feature again is the part of the premium version only. After the scanning is completed, the program will give you the detailed summary of all threats on your computer and their exact location. Some of these threats may be related to your available browsers like Google Chrome or Firefox. Combo Cleaner will help you to fix your browsers. In fact, all the browsers that have troubles can be easily fixed by Combo Cleaner antivirus. And what's more important, Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete more serious threats like ransomware, and as I have said, it will help you to protect your data from being damaged and infected in the future. So, enjoy Combo Cleaner. Consider upgrading to the premium version of the software to make sure that all your data is in the safe place.